You've heard the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words? Well, if that's true, then a video is worth 10,000. Almost every industry has embraced video as their most powerful communication tool. Studies show that people prefer video content, and with the extremely low cost of delivering video over the internet, it's one of the most cost-effective ways to increase your impact of your message. AutoNet TV has been leading the automotive service and parts industries for years with custom video production for manufacturers, distribution organizations, and service brands. Video supercharges your story with more immediacy and intimacy than print could ever dream. Music, motion, and vivid graphics quickly draw your audience in, ensuring their attention and aiding their ability to absorb and retain your message. AutoNet TV has created effective marketing, sales training, and corporate videos for all stops along the automotive road. Make the business case for your products, services, and programs to vehicle owners, sales, and distribution outlets, and any other channel for your business. And don't forget video communications for internal stakeholders. Imagine being able to give your very best presentation every time. Do just that with video produced by AutoNet TV. We can help you with your project development, creative concepts, scripts, graphics, and special effects, along with the video production and state-of-the-art editing. AutoNet TV has fully equipped studios with green screen capability. Need video coverage of an event? AutoNet TV can help with that as well. Take a look at these clips of some of our work. They include sales presentations, sales and customer service training, product information, program launches, promotions, and point-of-sale videos. AutoNet TV videos have won Automotive Communication Awards several years running. Our reputation for production quality is unsurpassed in the automotive service and repair industry. Let AutoNet TV help create a video communications program that meets your goals. Give us a call or visit our website to get started.